Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Past Question 19. Which of the following solids would not decompose on heating? A. Ammonium chloride, B. Lead 2-trioxocarbonate 5, C. Potassium trioxocarbonate 4, D. Sodium hydrogen trioxocarbonate 4. So we have some solids here, some of which are salts, and we're asked for the one which does not decompose on heating. So let's look at how each of the salts behave when heated. Now, option A, which is ammonium chloride, it decomposes on heating. So this is ammonium chloride, a solid. When heated, it decomposes into ammonia and hydrogen chloride gas. So you can see here that it decomposes on heating, and hence it's not the answer to this question. Now option B, lead 2-trioxocarbonate 5, it decomposes on heating. Now this is how it works when it's exposed to heat. This is the reaction. So this is the compound lead 2-trioxocarbonate 5, a solid. When it is heated, it decomposes into lead oxide, and oxygen. So as you can see, lead 2-trioxocarbonate 5 decomposes on heating into lead oxide, nitrogen 4 oxide, and oxygen. Now option C, potassium trioxocarbonate 4, does not decompose on heating. It does not decompose on heating. Now this is based on the fact that trioxocarbonate 4 of alkali metals, that is group 1 elements, except for lithium trioxocarbonate 4, do not decompose on heating. So we have seen why this isn't the answer, so we have picked this out as the one that does not decompose. So let's look at option D. Option D is sodium hydrogen trioxocarbonate 4. When it is heated, decomposes to give sodium carbonate, water, and carbon dioxide. So we can see that this decomposes on heating, and it's not the answer to this question. So as we have rightly stated, option C, potassium trioxocarbonate 4, is the solid that does not decompose on heating. Thank you, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.